Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to charge Tonkeeper battery. Keeping your Tonkeeper charged ensures it always ready for your secure cryptocurrency management and transactions. So let's get started on how to charge Tonkeeper battery. First, open the Tonkeeper app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, find and tap on the battery option. Here you will see three options for battery sizes: large, medium and small. Select the size you want to charge. Next to your chosen battery size, you will see a currency button. Tap on this button to start the payment process. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment process. Once the payment process is confirmed, your Tonkeeper battery will be charged. And this is how you can charge Tonkeeper battery. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.